Meaning of falsity.
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 Falsity. Falsity refers to the quality or state of being untrue or incorrect. It describes something that is not genuine, accurate, or factual. The term is often used in the context of logic or philosophy to describe a false proposition or statement that is not supported by evidence or reason. Falsity can be harmful if it is used to mislead or deceive others, and it can have serious consequences if it is allowed to spread unchecked. It is important to pursue truth and accuracy in all areas of life to avoid the pitfalls of falsity.